welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariane. I am a luxury travel advisor based in Vancouver, Canada. Very excited to get the day started. I'm actually heading right now to go get my PCR test at the Willow Stream Spa. That's kind of where they do the on-site testing here at the Fairmont Mayakoba. So let's go get tested and then head to the conference. Let's get going. After breakfast at La Laguna, I did my PCR test and then attended the Luxury Australia presentation by Tourism Australia. Our last day of meetings ran from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. It was so sad that the event was coming to a close. After our meetings were done for the day, I headed back to my room where a beautiful coffee table book of the Birds of Mayakoba and some macarons were waiting for me as a lovely parting gift courtesy of the general manager of the Fairmont Mayakoba. I got changed and headed to the beach again to explore a bit more before our closing party at the Andaz Mayakoba. They have a fun outdoor gym at the Fairmont Mayakoba using wood for weights. It kind of reminded me of a version of Muscle Beach. After exploring the beachfront a bit more with the complimentary bicycles, we stopped for a margarita and enjoyed the sunset. It was then time to head over to the Andaz Mayakoba for our closing party with the theme of freedom. There were so many amazing food stations to choose from, and all of our seating to eat was outside. was such a fun party, especially dancing the night away under the light of the full moon. We were then all treated to something really special, a drone show. I had never seen a drone light show before. They used drones to light up various shapes, including a nod to the Mario Brothers and Pac-Man. They also used music and sound effects to bring it all to life even more. However, obviously I can't use that music here due to copyrights. The drone show finale featured the country of Mexico, a Mayan ruin, and of course the Andaz and ILTM logos. We definitely partied and danced the night away. I didn't get back to my hotel room until after 3 o'clock in the morning, but it was so worth it. The next morning, I packed up and left the Fairmont Mayakoba for the Cancun International Airport. I was so sad to leave, but had an amazing time at ILTM North America 2021. As I didn't eat breakfast at the hotel, we stopped and had lunch at Guy Fieri's restaurant at the Cancun airport. We were then off from Cancun back to Toronto. As a Canadian, I needed to have my Arrive Can app filled out before arriving back into Canada, which I completed the day before. Make sure you do give yourself extra time at the airports if you're traveling back into Canada right now, as they did check my documents, which was my negative PCR test, at the check-in counter before stamping my boarding pass with Docs OK. There was then another health declaration that needed to be filled out to leave Mexico, required by the Mexican authorities. Once we arrived back into Toronto, we did have to wait about 15 minutes as they were trying to space out aircraft arrivals for Canadian Customs. I was so happy I had Nexus, there was really no line and was cleared very quickly. My friend and I then went to the Maple Leaf Lounge for Air Canada, relaxed and had some dinner before our connecting flight back to Vancouver. I hope you enjoyed this series of my trip to Mexico and my experience at ILTM North America. Please be sure to subscribe, hitting the subscribe button down below. It does help support my channel. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching and see you again next week.